Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, the Comet K vacant seat matrix is out, right? And lot of seats are still available and some of the good colleges seats are already gone. So this is analysis of what has happened after round 2 phase 2 seat allotment, right? So if you see before the starting of the round 2 phase 2 there were 20,064. That means a good number of vacant seats were available in 20,064 and lot of students were looking for an upgrade. And now if you see the vacant seat matrix after the allotment of round 2 phase 2, that 14,314 seats are still vacant. That means a very less number of seats have filled in the round 2 phase 2. So if I have to tell precisely, only 5,690 seats were allotted, right? That means only 5,690 seats were freshly allotted, but most of the people are seeing upgrade because there is a seat interchange, right? What somebody has left, you got the same seat allotted, right? But effectively only 5,690 seats have been reduced from the overall seat matrix, and rest of the seat has already come back. Now again people are going to do choice entry right after round 2 phase 2 result, and lot of people are going to do reject and upgrade, reject and withdraw, and some are going to do exit, some are going to do cancel. So there are multiple options and the students are there from different states who have got the seats there. So if you consider, at least 10% of students will do reject and upgrade, and 10% may also do reject and withdraw and cancel, and the rest of the things also. So you can even believe that 20% more students are basically going to return the seat. So 10% is 500 of them may do reject, upgrade, and reject and withdraw, and another 10% may do cancel or exit. So 20%, if you consider 500 plus 500, approximately 1000 seats will be again gone. So if you reduce this 1000 seats, the effective seat may be around 4500. That is 5500 minus 1000. Only 4500 seats were actually filled within this round 2 phase 2. Rest of the seats will again come back, right? And out of the total 20,000 seats were there at the beginning. And now if you assume that KCET round 1 counseling happens before the Comet K round 3, if KCET round 1 counseling happens before the Comet K round 3, then again 1500 to 2000 may again cancel the seat, right, for the Comet K, because they would have got the better seat in KSET, and they will basically approach KE, right? And those seats are at 1/3 fees of Comet case. Comet K fees is at good colleges 3 lakhs and above, and KSET fees are just 1 lakh and above, right? So students will go approach KE and will get the seat cancelled, right, at the later date. So the worry is that these seats may also come back again to Comet K, and in that way effectively you will feel that only 3000 seats are filled and removed from the Comet K round 3 seat matrix, right? So again you will see some 16 to 17,000 seats coming back to Comet K round 3, and this will continue like this, and at the end you will see lot of Comet K seats will be remained vacant and wasted, as what had happened in the last year also. So this is a strange situation, and there are many reasons why it is happening. One of the reasons which I could see is that mostly students are taking CSC or CSC related branches. They are not even taking ECE related branches in most of the colleges which are beyond 25 or 30 ranks. So only top colleges CSC related branches plus EC are taken, but in the lower colleges only CSC seats are being taken. Secondly, I am also feeling that most of the students are not doing the choice filling in the correct way. So that is why even the students with very good ranks, they are not getting any seat in any round, and they are dissatisfied, but they are not getting any seat because their choice filling order itself is wrong. and they are expecting too much, from the counseling, that they will get the only the first college or second college or third college, and that same seat they which they wanted to take. So I'm just taking a sample from one of the student. He has mentioned that he's heavily disappointed, and in the round 2 he has not got any seat, and his rank was around 2147, but he has filled only 7 choices which are all from RV College of Engineering. So he has filled RV ETE, which is Electronics and Telecommunication, but strange, he has not filled the BMSCE Computer Science or MSRIT Computer Science related branches, which are much better option than ETE. And there could be some other reasons also, but overall the seats are not getting filled in the way it should be filled, and most of the seats are comparatively returning back in every round of counseling. But at the same time, many students are dissatisfied because they are not getting any seats. So both the things are happening. So that's a small analysis. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.